بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. نبي يصليها، نبي مرتبة يصليها. Your Excellency, mimi mambo yangu na Your Excellency the Deputy ni kidogo. Nimetembea na wewe Garissa Wajia, na nilikuwa naambia watu kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, tangu Kenya, dunia ya Kenya ianze, Mungu amelete rais ambaye amesema Kenya itakuwa moja, bila kujali kabila, bila kujali dini, na bila kujali mahali umetoka. Na kwa miaka 60, Your Excellency, our community, our region suffered serious marginalization, serious discrimination, and serious even extrajudicial killing by those who were in power before you. And you have agreed that you will reset the history of Kenya, and there will be no Kenya without Northern Kenya. Your Excellency, 2015 na 2016 watoto wetu shule walipewa mass cancellation. Not because they didn't pass, because somebody somewhere, the same Fred Matiang'i na boss yake walisema, we must make sure that this community and this region will not prosper in education. Your Excellency, in 2019, kama Wakenya wengine sisi tukahesabiwa, kwa vile sisi tunazaa sana, tuko na mabibi wengi. My former boss, Uhuru Kenyatta, under very strict instruction, working with Matiang'i and Kibicho and the cabal, they decided to cancel the census result for Garissa, Wajir, and Mandera. Na huyo mtu anapiga kelele alikuwa dio ya huyo mdosi yangu. So our discrimination is real, is historical, is factual. And I'm very happy today, as your minister, as your friend, that you have got the opportunity to reset that history. We will never take it for granted. And we will stand with you. Your Excellency, hapa Wajir, Wagala Massacre, Garissa Gubai, Malka Mari, watu wetu waliwawa na all the successive governments. Under your leadership, mimi na wewe tulienda Tarbach, one of the epicenter of insecurity. Today, Tarbach is very secure. The Member of Parliament has confirmed. Kumalizia, Your Excellency, utanibidi niongee lugha Somalia isifanye digista. Wahala yiri hooyadii dhashay wiilashii dhagolaha hayeen markuu aabahood dhintay oo dhaxalkii khatar galay, geeli khatar galay, loodi khatar galay, war waxay tira intay gacanta qabtay waxay tira xagga fariistay dhulka hariiqa inaad tashanaysiin hal la ogaade. Annaka ninkan waa noo hiiliyey, ninkan William Ruto waa noo hiiliyey. Kibandadii lagu dhibaayay basboorku nooga hiiliyey. Wadooyinkii lagu dhibaayay nooga hiiliyey wadadii waalida sida Axmed Jiir sheegay. Korontadana maanta waa kan. Waxaa loola dagaalsan yahay oo loo dilayaa oo loo dacaydeynaya madaxda Soomaalida iyo ganacsatada Soomaalida uu ku jira walaalkeen ninka BBS Mall. Markii u dambeysay aan joogay masjid lacag 10 milyan oo bixi. Waxaa loo dacaydeynaya sifada ninkan aan saaxiib oo la dhahay oo Kenyada kale oo noogu diray ninkaneetow gabar nagama rabo geelna nagama rabo lacagna nagama rabo ninkan hadduu Ilaahayna gaarsiiyo 2027 doorashada waxaan rabnaa sanduuqiisa inuu 2 saac iyo bar Garis Mandera Wajeer Isiolo iyo Marsabit inuu buuxsamo taam ku ogolaateen ma ogolaateen gacmaha qorto inta dhadeen William Ruto 2 term